Hi guys, this is Soumya. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we are going inside my house in Berlin. So it's like a house tour vlog, and I'm sharing this flat with three of my friends back from India. Two are my seniors and one we got connected through Facebook, and we all are Kannadigas. That is the best feeling. So it's a furnished house. We are paying 1,350 euros per month. So it comes up to 340 euros per head, and they've given us blanket, dryer, bed sheets, and all of that. I think this is quite reasonable for 340 in Berlin. I think so. So yeah, let's get in and see. So this is the entrance door. So once we get in, here is the shoe area. We arrange all our shoes right here. We don't have a shoe rack actually, and this is the rack for our broomstick and all of that. And here also we have arranged our shoes, and there's a cupboard right here. So two of them share this cupboard. So we have just one bedroom in this house, and there's a dining table here. We don't actually use it to have food, we just keep things right here. So yeah, and just here we have our washroom. So it's quite arranged, and there's only one mirror in our home. So this is how it looks. It's quite pretty. So yeah, once we get out of here, this is the bed for two. This is quite small balcony, I can say. You don't really have space to stand here, so you can just open it. Oof. Yeah, this is the balcony. I don't think so anybody can stand here, but it's just called balcony for now. So right in front of this balcony is our chotu sa kitchen. I feel like smaller the kitchen, it's way easier to maintain and clean things. So I'll just give you a quick look. So we have got almost all masalas, snacks back from India. And these are all the cutleries. This is the induction stove, and this is our refrigerator. It is stuffed with cool drinks and all food. So yeah, next is my favorite spot. So this is my most favorite place in our house. The couch is so cozy, and we spend most of our time just laying down on this couch. And right in front of this couch we have our TV. We usually watch movie. We have food here. So yeah, there's a table right over here. So this is one frame hung, and we have this window. This is such a nice view from living area. So yeah, next is this place. This is actually for oven. I think we have kept our clothes. So there's a mat. This is how it is arranged. So this is my room. So two of them share this room, and we usually hang our jackets right here, and there's a cupboard here, small cupboard, and we have a chair, and here is the big window. So I'll show you guys our parking area of our apartment. So I really love this place. I can work out sometime, or we even play here. So getting into the room, this is where my friend sleeps, and this is my bed, messy as always. So there's a table here. I arranged it a week before and it's messy now. So this is my bed, and yeah, there's a cupboard right here. Two of them share clothing here. So this was the house tour. I know there was nothing fancier to show in our house, but we have just moved in, and I hope someday I could just make a space for YouTube video. I can renovate a small space. Yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.